Here's Phresher with Feel Away featuring Jim Jones, Don Q and Papoose.
Go. Try to front like a bit of race. Full head of steam, don't get in the way. President, you really know, get it A. I just now niggas feel away.
Shady Records' new artist Conway presents Clifton Hell's Kitchen.
I can have the killers on attack now. Pull the mask down. 5 ghouls, 2 at the front, 3 at the back now. I don't listen.
Rodney P provides us with a track called Untitled.
Of class in this world, providing a little something for everyone, just as long as they know where to find it. Live shows, coffee stops, pop-up shops, anything you want, but make sure you can afford it. Cause it takes a free ride, there isn't always sunshine, and if you snooze...
Shante, bitch.
It's all about the motion in the ocean. Producer Beat Butcha takes part in Mass Appeal's Rhythm Roulette Challenge. Beat Butcha has worked with the likes of the late Sean Price and Prodigy. J. Cole's video Neighbours uses genuine surveillance footage of his home being raided.
Okay, the neighbors think I'm selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. Yeah. I don't want no picture with the president. I just want to talk to the man. Speak for the boys in a bando, and my nigga never walking again. Apologize if I'm hopping again. I know these things happen often, but...
More One from In the Balance Records releases his latest music video, Thinking Lately.
Thinking lately. I've done so much thinking lately. Thinking lately, but the...
Catch us every Friday morning at 10:30 BST, where you'll get the latest in hip-hop news. I'm Shante, and you've been watching Itch FM's Weekly Wind-Up. Rodney... Oh, that's about everywhere again.
Rodney P.
Did you see it? Did you see it?